Hello everyone. Are you looking for a modern and convenient way to manage your finances? In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating a Revolut account from signing up to verifying your identity. You will be ready to start enjoying the benefits of this digital banking platform in a couple of seconds. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First thing first, to create an account, you have to head up to Revolut website. So go ahead to here, URL section, search for Revolut, and then click on the first link. Here, click to allow all cookies on the bottom right, and then click on sign up or get a free account. Through this section, all you have to do is either open the Revolut app or you can simply here put your number. So we can, for example, put here our number. So I'm going to choose my number. So let's go for example, here, Morocco. And simply I will add here my number and it'll be right back to you guys. And now, as you might see, after I clicked here on the SMS section, they have sent me a link. So simply just click on it and then click on Open Store, and then you will have to download the application. So simply now click on Get and wait a couple seconds, and then if they ask you for the permission, give them the permission, and the application shall be downloaded on your mobile phone. It can take a couple seconds to a couple minutes. It is depending on your internet network. And if you went here, you will see all the features and images that can describe the program or the software before you even open it. Here, this is a brief description about the application. For example, here you can pay and get paid in seconds, makes easy, fast, instant, and free payments. You can split and settle bills in one place. You can request or send money with a tap. For easily global transfers, you can even get a card on your control. You can here keep track of your money, freeze your card, generate single-use virtual cards. It's like kind of wise cards. Here you can eat, shop, and pay less. So they have a program that if you get some kind of cards, you will have some kind of their partners. If you went to the shop and you paid with Revolut card, you will be able to actually pay less than usual because they have kind of like a partnership, so you will be paying less than usual. You can check their website also for the support and check which kind of applications, stores, or restaurants that are on the partnership with Revolt, so you can go to them and save some money in your next shopping. So this is all about the application. It is now on the 30 number on the chart on the finance category, as you can see, and this image, as you can see here, you can actually literally do anything. So let's start with the first image. Here describe you the dashboard. Here the reward, you will get so many rewards as travel discount, grocery discount, coffee discount, clothes, food, tickets, beauty, and gaming. Here you can reach financial goals faster, so you can actually make a saving account. You can transfer without borders, so you can, for example, here send money to anyone, for example, and add any gift next to it or something like that. For example, in a birthday gift or something like that. Here you can even get a plane ticket. You can here exchange your money from example your current currency to USD and much more. And now finally, after it is downloaded, all you have to do is simply click on open, and then here it is, the application. Now all you have to do is click on sign up. Here, this is the screen is hidden and protect your personal information. So let's wait a little bit until it is fully in. So here we go. If you can click here. So let's wait a little bit until it is fully opened for us. And then we will be right back to you guys. So guys, basically here, what I have faced is the problem that I can't really share my screen with you. The problem is they are hiding my screen from you since I'm sharing it with my PC, as you can see here. That's why I can't really show you. So basically, I will try to show you in images, screenshots on how to actually connect your account on Revolut. So let's get ahead. So back to you guys. How to create an account on Revolut is pretty easy. The thing that you have to do is follow these steps. The first thing, your account shall be opened right after you click on this QR code and you start the application as I showed you before. Or you click here on your mobile number, they will send you an SMS and then you click on the link. After you open the application, they will ask you again for your number. And another thing, uh, after they ask you for your number, you will have to write the code that they will send you. This is the first thing. So it's gonna be a black page like that with your phone number and then a code right below it. After that, they will ask you, for again your nationality. So your nationality, first of all, once you choose it here, it's not gonna be there as well. So they will give you UK as a default nationality. Make sure to choose your correct one, and then you'll have to enter your zip code. If that didn't work for you, so the zip code is gonna be somewhere like that. I do remember I found an image about it. Let me just find it here. So it's gonna be the same image as this one, as you can see here. Yep, something like that. It's a a black picture with like the zip code in it. So you'll have to search for your zip code, and right after you enter your zip code, guys, the only thing that you have to do next is enter your first name, last name, and after that, verify your identity using an image. So most of the people don't like to take pictures themselves. So what I did is simply I have taken like an image from Google, so image of a person, and I scanned his face using, of course, the application. Right after that, they will ask you if you'd like to confirm and verify your account using passports or nationality, ID, or something like that. You can skip it or also verify it. After that, your account shall be created as I will show you now. And as you can see, this is the account. It has been created. So here, what do you want to use your wallet for? Transfers. Here, you can choose whatever thing else you'd like to add and then click on continue. And once you're done, that's how you can successfully create your account. Here, the only thing that matters is if you'd like to choose any kind of plans, click on skip. If you'd like to get a card, you can either get a physical debit card or a credit, a virtual debit card. So it is completely up to you. And here you are. So this is simply it. Here they are the cards that you have, your balance, and your dashboard. So this is completely it. It was pretty easy to create an account on Revolut. It won't really take that much of your time. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to leave a like and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.